526.6, squawk 5203.
Okay, 683 Delta Delta will maintain VFR at or below 3,000, 26.6 on the departure and 5203, and we're ready to taxi from Signature with Charlie.
683 Delta Delta, read back correct, runway 5 right, taxi via Kilo, hold short of runway 32.
5 right via Kilo, hold short of 32. We can take Kilo 1 if that works.
683 Delta Delta, runway 5 right at Kilo 1, taxi via Kilo 1.
5 right, Kilo 1, 3 Delta Delta, thank you. Tower, bearing 683 Delta Delta is ready to go 5 right from Kilo 1.
Bearing 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro Tower, turn right heading 120, runway 5 right at Kilo 1, clear for takeoff.
Right to 120, clear for takeoff, 5 right from Kilo 1, 683 Delta Delta. Nobody's coming. Tower's coming up. In the middle, power's coming up, nice and symmetrical. Pull the power back a little. Alright, airspeed light panel's clean, everything's looking good. There's 90. There we go, pause the rate, gear up, lights off, yaw damp on, air conditioning on. The props pull back. Go heading. Right to 120.
November 683 Delta Delta, contact departure.
Yeah, we're to departure, 3 Delta Delta, good day. Greensboro departure, bearing 683 Delta Delta, 1700, climbing VFR 120 on the heading.
Bearing 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro departure, radar contact, VFR altitude your discretion, proceed on course.
On course to southeast, 3 Delta Delta. Alright, we're going to nav it.
Good afternoon, Greensboro Approach, Skyhawk 5004 Yankee.
Pull our power back to 25 since we're stopping at such a low altitude.
5004 Yankee,
Which is
Greensboro approach,
out of the norm.
3013, advise you of the weather at Burlington and type of approach you're requesting.
3013 on the altimeter, and if we can get down to about 2,000, we should be below the clouds.
November 04 Yankee, roger, the lowest I will be able to get you is 2,500, that's our MVA.
Alright, roger that. We'll go down to 2,500 if possible, and we'll find a hole to get down and we'll cancel.
November 04 Yankee, roger, you can expect lower in about 12 miles.
Roger, we'll expect lower in about 12 for 04 Yankee.
Alright, here's our 2,500.
November 80 Foxtrot Golf, flight heading 270, vector to final.
And Southeast Greensboro.
Heading 270, vectors for final 80 Foxtrot Golf.
22.8. 22.8, 22.8, 22.8. There we go. Raise our power back. 20 inches. Since screaming along. Back in the day when I was working for a flight school, I used to run over here all the time with little 150s, 172s, and Cherokee Warriors and whatnot. Just kind of scud run along, get over here for maintenance, you know. Plenty of trips like that.
November 3 Delta Delta, airport 12 o'clock, 6.5 miles, no traffic observed, radar service terminated, squawk VFR frequency change approved. Good day.
Okay, 3 Delta Delta, thank you. We'll talk to you later. Alright, we'll switch that. We'll go back. We'll go VFR. Southeast Greensboro traffic, bearing 3 Delta Delta is about 6 to the northwest, inbound for landing 17. We're going to cross midfield and left downwind for 17, southeast, for a Greensboro Executive.
Shiloh traffic, Cherokee 524 Lima, turning left crosswind, 31, Shiloh.
we're just kind of eyeballing it, VFR-ing it. We ain't gonna worry about our altitude too much. We're not gonna worry about our heading. I see the hangars out there.
Shiloh traffic, Cherokee 5242 Lima, now left downwind for 31 Shiloh.
I'll boogie down to 1,900 feet or so.
Chevy traffic 778 Alpha, maneuvering 9 miles to the east, 3,800. Chevy.
Southeast Greensboro traffic, 3 Delta Delta is going to cross midfield, enter left downwind 17, Southeast Greensboro. Greensboro Executive.
Henderson Oxford traffic, Archer 181 Foxtrot Alpha, 6 miles to the southwest, inbound for 24 Henderson.
Everybody's parked there, so we can probably go on back. I don't know. Southeast Greensboro traffic, 3 Delta Delta is left downwind, run 7, Southeast Greensboro. Right, here comes the gear. 1 notch of flat.
Shiloh. Shiloh traffic 7410 Romeo, turn left, crosswind, runway 31, Shiloh traffic.
Turn off our private sync. A little slower, we'll get full flaps.
Henderson on 3rd Archer 181 Foxtrot Alpha, 3 miles to the southwest, inbound for a 45 degree entry to the left downwind 24.
Greensboro Executive, 3 Delta Delta is turning left base 17, Southeast Greensboro Executive.
Cherokee 5243 Lima, turning final 31 Shiloh. It'll be touch and go, Shiloh.
Here's where you lose sight of, I still got the hangars, but you lose sight of the runway. Southeast Greensboro traffic, bearing 3 Delta Delta is turning final. Runway 17, Southeast Greensboro. Alright, here comes the all damps away.
500.
Trim is good. Speed is good. We're a little high, but we're alright. Speed is good. Power's coming off. We'll coast on down to the end. Leave our cow flaps open. Alright, welcome to the Greensboro Executive.